Look at all that goodness. Let's see if this is a keeper. This is good. This is good. Hi, it's Lynn, and welcome back to my channel, Nourish Your Crown. Today we have two delicious and healthy recipes for you to try out: an anti-inflammatory crunchy broccoli salad and a strawberry kiwi cucumber smoothie. Both of these are anti-inflammatory and packed with nutrients and flavor. So let's get started. We've had a really few stressful weeks, actually more like a year, and I know that I need to step up my nutrient game and increase anti-inflammatory foods to help fight off the effects of this excess stress, because stress is usually a trigger for me for major shedding, and plus we've been eating out a lot. So I thought it might be helpful to share what I'm trying out and hope that it encourages you too. So since it was a short week this week, I only made 3 servings of each of the crunchy broccoli salad and the strawberry smoothie. And so first up, you'll see me chopping up some green onions. They add a really mild onion flavor, a pop of color. Plus, they have sulfur compounds that have anti-inflammatory and detoxifying effects. This salad also has walnuts, which you can see there. I toasted them up a little bit, and they are also anti-inflammatory, great source of omega-3. You'll see me chopping up the star of our salad is this broccoli. And then we also have some dried cranberries, and that add a touch of sweetness. And you'll see there I have some quinoa, which I got it from Trader Joe's, really easy to make. And then I also had the juice of 1 lemon, and that also it kind of helps serves as our salad dressings. And lemons are really a great source of vitamin C. They're anti-inflammatory. Plus, they help balance the flavors of the salad out. And so you'll see there, I'm just popping in the quinoa. I actually made it in the microwave, which was pretty easy. For the broccoli, just so you know, I blanched it for like 30 seconds or 60 seconds in boiling water, and then took it out and rinsed it in cold water, and it gave it the perfect crunch, right? A little bit of crunch, but it wasn't completely raw, so that was really good. So then at this stage, I add the lemon juice and then a 1/4 cup of olive oil, which kind of serves as the dressing. And you know, I think I used avocado oil for that one. And the avocado oil, definitely a good source of fat. And then I'm going to add in the walnuts, stir it up a little bit. Also, I think I mentioned this, but the walnuts I toasted a little bit in the pan. I just crushed them up and toasted them in the pan, just again to give them a little toasted taste. And then I'm going to add in the green onions. Stirring everything up just to make sure I get everything properly stirred. Those dried cranberries, I actually got them from Trader Joe's. They have no added sugar in them. I think each serving is 21 grams of fiber. You see I added a little bit of lemon zest in there. Lemon zest is really, really good in terms of adding a little punch to the salad. A little bit of salt there. I added some pepper a little earlier. And there you have it. Okay, so I'm about to taste this right now. This is, look at all that goodness, y'all. Let's see if this is a keeper. This is good. This is good. So it's a little tart. So if you like, I used dried cranberries that don't have any sugar in them. So I guess if you got the regular dried cranberries that have sugar, it adds some sweetness to it. If you use dried cherries, that probably will make it a little bit more sweeter. I'm okay with it not being super sweet, but yeah, this is a keeper. And this will last for a whole week. So enjoy. Now let's move on to our strawberry kiwi cucumber smoothie. It's a perfect way to cool down on a hot day while getting a nutritious boost. First, we have our juicy strawberries. These berries are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which also can help reduce excess inflammation and boost our immune system. You'll see there I also have some refreshing cucumber. Cucumbers are mostly water, making them very hydrating and great for promoting healthy digestion. They also provide a mild and cooling flavor to our smoothie. Also, what's your favorite smoothie combo? Leave a comment below. I'd love to get some more ideas. You'll also see there that I have kiwi, which is an ingredient that's a tropical fruit, and it adds a really nice tang to the smoothie. It's loaded with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, making it an excellent choice for supporting our overall health. You'll see there I have some chia seeds, and then I also have some flax seeds. These are really tiny powerhouses packed with omega-3 fatty acids, and they also have anti-inflammatory effects. You'll see I also have some bananas in here. I had some really, they were like on the verge of needing to be thrown out, but I'm still using them. So we're going to have the right bananas and we'll add them for some creaminess and some natural sweetness. Bananas are also a really good source of potassium and they help provide a natural kind of energy boost, and will help make our smoothie even more satisfying. So now that we have all of the ingredients chopped up, we're going to bag these up. I made 3 this week. You'll see there I'm adding in, I actually added in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds for each bag and about 1 tablespoon of flaxseed for each bag. See there, that actually, my dad, he's actually a complete vegan, full vegan, and he bought, looks like he must have bought about 500 pounds of flax seeds. So I got a whole bunch of flax seeds a couple weeks ago, so I need to use those up. So they're all packed and ready to go. So I decided that I wanted to have one on the day that I made this video. So I made a delicious smoothie. I used soy milk for this one. And there you have it, your healing in a glass. So I hope you try these recipes out. If you do, let me know. Remember, live well, live blessed, nourish your crown, and I'll see you in the next video.